Get ready, start. Over and over again, we have complained of the rates and taxes in connection with our concern, and sooner or later, we shall have to discuss ways and means of a successful agitation for their reduction. Up to the present time, we have been very heavily handicapped in this respect, and judging from the present outlook, our resources will be called upon more and more in the immediate future, unless we are enabled to obtain the relief we think we are entitled to. Again and again, during the last 6 or 7 years, there have been outcries against the upward tendency of these local levies, and in connection with their collection, many have urged that the facts of the case required the immediate attention of the authorities. The history of the world shows that this matter of rates and taxes has always been a sore point with people of every clime and nation, and whether right or wrong, it is a fact that a great many have suffered imprisonment rather than pay what they have deemed unjust impositions. Next para. When we ask what is the matter complained of and inquire into it, it must be borne in mind that it is not worse than what savage tribes practice among themselves or towards one another. Though, by the way, we do not for a moment defend wanton barbarity on the part of civilized man towards savages who, for the first time, come under his control. Unhappily, this is always more or less an incident of the contact of civilized and savage man. If we cannot see all the way to a better state of things, we may at least anticipate some of the advantages which civilization should in the end be able to bestow, on the one hand on the native population, and on the other hand, or on the other side, on itself. In the first place, or in the first instance, exploration affords a healthy subject of interest for the more adventurous spirits of all nations, and adds additional chapters of interest to the story of the world. In the second place, new markets are opened for commerce and new fields for the exercise of ability. In the third place, regions are opened up which may be of much value as an outlet for the overgrown population of other regions. In the next place, or in the last place, colonization is a hopeful part of that onward march of humanity in which all have the deepest interest. Stop.